One study showed that switching to an anti-inflammatory diet immediately was almost as protective as making those changes early in your life. So now you know it. But let's be clear, there is no magic food that fixes inflammation. The goal is not just one food, it's your overall immune system. Here's how it works. You temporarily remove foods that commonly trigger immune response, like green, legumes, eggs, dairy, nuts, and seed products. Think of this as a reset for your immune system, and then wait and watch what really changes. For about 4 to 8 weeks, you really focus on meat and fish, veggies and fruits, healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. During this time, your gut begins to heal, inflammation drops, and many people feel significantly better. You feel like you are 10 years younger. Then you slowly add back food one at a time. If symptoms like joint pain, digestive issues, or brain fog return, that food may be a trigger for you. If nothing happens, it means that we're good. The food is safe for your body. And here's the key. Most people don't have to avoid everything forever. Many end up identifying just a couple of trigger food, a few trigger food that can trouble them. And they can avoid those trigger food that cause inflammation in your body. So let me ask you today, have you ever changed your diet and actually seen immediate benefits in your blood sugar, cholesterol, or blood pressure profile? Let us know in the comments below. We appreciate your feedback.